Wait nga, ilayo ko nga. Ayun lang, yung isa na lang na 3, ganyan na lang. Yun na lang, tignan nyo guys ha, yung view. Yung view na lang tignan nyo guys ha, maganda siya yung view. Yan, thank you so much mga Felix. Idol Carlos. Sisikoy Mayumi, mamaya may sisikoy. Guys, 1 hour live lang tayo 1 hour live. Yan, dito nila ako sa isa para walang tao. Yan, thank you so much. Chicken Vlogger, thank you so much my friend. It's raining again. Guys, 1 hour live on this show. My friend Chicken Vlogger, thank you so much for coming. My friend Chicken Vlogger. Yan, gandang Jazz. Thank you so much. Guys, 1 hour live lang tayo guys na. Thank you so much for the 6 people in the house. Ano na pala? Thank you so much, guys. World Tours, thank you so much. Mga Felix. Yan, Shopee, super people in the house. Hi, Shouty po, Shouty, support po sa 6 people in the house, Shouty. Sisikoy mamaya. Yan, Shouty po sa laban naman dyan, guys. Mulan na naman, guys. Yan, mahal eh. Thank you so much. Gandang Jazz. Chicken Vlogger. Idol Carlo, thank you so much. Guys, 1 hour live lang tayo guys ha. 1 hour live. Thank you so much guys. Sinag naman na silam ako sa puti. Nanda ba ako dyan? Malayuan guys. Lagi mahal. Love you to mahal Felix. Mahal, okay lang ba yung ano ko? Yung outfit ko mahal? Okay lang ba yung outfit ko? Hindi ba naman ano? Sobrang sexy ba? Sobrang sexy ba? Yan, baba natin konti. Yes, okay na okay. Mahal, ma-1 hour lang ako. Tapos sakit tayo kay Mamita Casey ha. Wala akong magandang pwesto, umuulan. Yan, guys, thank you so much for people million in the house. Taka natin yung ano ng Nakailang hours na tayo guys. Naka 26 minutes. 1 hour lang ako. Mahal. Natanggal yung ano ng Bluetooth ko. Wait lang. Connect ko lang sa ano sa ear. Yan, umuulan na naman guys.